Hello everyone, this is Wally and welcome back to Mugda Arts and Studios. In this session, I'm going to show you beautiful matka silks with bright and darker shades. So let me show you what I'm wearing. Here comes darker shade of pink and magenta pink. And on borders, we have got a beautiful navy blue designed with zari on throughout the borders. So we have got beautifully designed floral motifs throughout the sari with zari. Borders lo matram manaki drop shape motifs unnai with zari, golden zari. So ee session lo vachi manaki half and half sarees unnai andi. We even have brighter shades, lighter shades kuda unnai. Chala manchi zari work. The quality of zari is really too good in this session of sarees. Let me show you the mannequin pieces. Here comes the first piece in mannequin, and we have got brighter shade of brinjal violet with orange on borders. Throughout the saree, we are having silver zari work mixed with copper zari on borders. Just have a look at the borders. Material anta kuda chala soft ga undi and it's very easy to handle. So contrast blouses unnayandi on mannequin pieces. Here comes the half and half saree with orange and parrot green on borders. So first half anta manaki brighter shade of orange undi and bottom part of the saree is with parrot green. And we even have zari floral design on borders of the sari. So we have got a differently designed border with pink and silver zari work on it. Just have a look at it. Here comes the third piece in mannequin with brighter shade of hot pink and copper sulphate blue on borders. So this is the most attractive color combination and it's chala baguntundi live lo and video lo. I have no idea how it is looking like. So let's have let's see the motifs on sari body. We have got two different zari designs throughout the sari with golden, copper and silver. So this is the entire sari. Let's see the last piece in display. Idochi nenu veskunna sari ki similar model lo undi. So this is the sari I'm wearing with pink, and here comes brighter shade of blue, copper sulphate blue and navy blue on borders. So sari anta kuda manaki copper sulphate blue lo undi. Coming to borders, we have got navy blue on borders with drop shape motifs throughout the border. So we even have smaller floral zari motifs in between. So మన దగ్గర ఇంకా చాలా మంచి కలెక్షన్ ఉంది. దిస్ ఇస్ సాటర్డే మార్నింగ్ కదండి, చాలా ఎగ్జైటింగ్గా ఉన్నట్టుంది. ఆబ్వియస్లీ వీకెండ్ వీఆర్ ఆల్రెడీ ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఇన్ వీకెండ్. సో సాటర్డే అంటే మ్యాక్సిమం ఎస్పెషలీ ఐటీ పీపుల్కి ఇట్స్ లైక్ హెవెన్, అండ్ ఫర్ అదర్స్ కూడా చాలా హ్యాపీ డే కదా సాటర్డే అంటే. సో ఆన్ దిస్ సాటర్డే వీ హ్యావ్ గాట్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ కలెక్షన్ ఇన్ మట్కా సిల్క్స్. సో ఈ సెషన్లో చూపించే సారీస్ అన్నీ కూడా మట్కా సిల్క్స్ అంటారు, అండ్ సారీ అంతా కూడా చాలా లైట్ వెయిట్ తోటి ఉంది. లెట్స్ సీ ద ఫస్ట్ సారీ. As said before, we have got two patterns in this session. One is with the half and half and other is with the contrast borders. So here we have another darker shade of blue. So you can call it as copper sulphate blue. And on other side of the border, it's royal blue with beautifully designed floral zari motifs and different colored thread work, resham thread work all over the sari body. Let's see the borders of the sari. It's differently designed with lotus flowers in golden zari work. So throughout the borders we are having these lotus flowers in line, and on other side we have got a smaller circular rings with golden zari. So this is the entire sari. Just have a look. Here comes the pallu. Let's see the blouse for this sari, which is heavily embossed with zari work. And price of the sari is 5,750 rupees on. Let's see the next sari, which is also in half and half. We have got two different shades here. One is for the pastel grey, and on bottom part of the sari we have got Rama green with a brighter shade. Just look at the quality of the zari. So chala decent ga undi sari anta kuda ee zari work anta sari mida. And we even have thread work motifs placed all over the sari inside the zari checks. So this is how it looks like with pallu. And here comes the blouse. So throughout the blouse we have got different designs. Let me explain you clearly. So on one side of the border we have golden and silver zari lines alternatively placed, and in the middle we have got zari checks, and coming to bottom of the blouse piece we have floral design with zari. Let's see the price of the sari. So coming to the sari price, it's 6,999 rupees only. So we have got too many shades in blue. Here comes another shade in sky blue, darker shade of sky blue and royal blue on borders, and it is designed in half and half model. So let's see the zari work on sari. So on other side of the border we have got copper zari work with thread floral motifs throughout the sari. Here comes the pallu. So guys, if you need an interactive session, please ping here in the comments. So let's talk for some time and then we'll start showing the collection. So here comes the blouse. So if you need any specific request, if you have any specific request, please do comment here in the live. So we'll definitely take those requests to Sashi ma'am. Coming to the price of the sari, it costs around 5,750 rupees on. Here comes another brighter shade, which is my favorite color, yellow, and we have got red on other half of the sari. So this is the brighter shade of tomato red. So it looks like Bandi print designed in zari, silver zari work on overall sari, and on top of that we have golden zari leaf motifs. So one side we have got a beautifully designed work with red, pink and green. So we have got a same design on other side of the border as well. Just have a look at it. So guys, I'm expecting some response from the people in Vizag. Hope you have went to the exhibition and have seen our collection with different designs. And let's see the price of the sari. So you can just take a screenshot of that yellow sari and please send it on our helpline numbers. I'll just show it now. There our team will reveal the price of the sari. Here comes another beautifully designed red with green. So many of the people ask me regarding red and green sari collections in our previous lives. So guys, here we have got a beautifully designed sari with red and green, and overall sari we have silver zari floral design motifs, and on other side of the border we have golden zari work on green. Here comes the pallu. with contrast colored blouse. So here's the blouse with one side border for sleeves. Coming to the price of the saree, it's 4,900 rupees only. So I've already shown one yellow color which is in half and half model, but here we have got a contrast border for this yellow saree. So here comes brick red on border and mango yellow on saree. Throughout the saree we have plain golden zari floral design, and on other side of the border we have got zari lines on red with pallu. So let's see the blouse of the saree, which is beautifully designed with zari work on red. So we have got a contrast blouse for this saree on red. Coming to the price, it's very reasonable price, 4,100 rupees only. So here are the helpline numbers. So guys, if you have liked any saree so far, just take a screenshot of it and share on this WhatsApp number. And for online payment, we have Google Pay contacts available here. Take a screenshot of this and keep it handy. So one important note, we do have international shipping. So guys, sale is going on. Hurry up and place your orders. Deliveries will be soon. Let's see the next saree. Here comes parrot green. So it's a single colored saree. We don't have any other color on the saree except zari design with gold. So it's beautifully designed with floral zari motifs in gold. So saree amto kuda manaki chinna floral design undi with pure zari work. Just have a look at it. Here comes the pallu. Blouse. So throughout the blouse we have zari work. So ee session lo chupinchina videos annitloki kuda anni sarees loki kuda manaki manchi zari work toti blouse ochindandi. So it's beautifully designed and chala heavy ga kuda undi saree anta. Coming to the price of the saree, it's 4,899 rupees only. So we have darker shade of bottle green here with royal blue on borders. So saree anta kuda manaki two different floral design icharu with golden and silver zari. Just have a look at it. So in between golden zari creepers manaki silver zari motifs unnayandi, and on borders we have plain zari work. With pallu. Here comes the blouse. So this saree ki we have a plain blouse for this saree, but rest all manaki fully decorated blouse ochindi. Price of the saree is 4,900 rupees only. So here comes darker shade of navy blue with tomato red on borders. So this saree anta kuda manaki different colors toti thread work undandi mixed with zari. So just have a look at these motifs. So background color chala bright ga undadam valla these zari work is all pop out avutundi chala baga saree anta. Coming to borders, we have checks and floral design on two sides of the border with pallu in tomato red and contrast colored blouse, so which is totally embossed with zari. Let's see the price of the saree. It costs around 6,000 rupees only. Manchi reasonable prices lo unnai sarees anni kuda, and manchi darker shades lo unnayandi. Here comes another beautiful shading green with hot pink on borders. So this is a saree similar to what I'm wearing today. Just have a look at it. With pallu. And here comes the blouse with one side border for sleeves. Let's see the price of the saree. It costs around 5,199 rupees only. So we have onion pink shade here with multiple color thread work on throughout the saree. So saree amta manaki different color threads unnayi. We have orange, red, darker shade of pink, bottle green and royal blue. So other side it's mix of pink and orange. On borders we have kadi zari work. So zari amta kuda chala decent ga design undandi saree amta at a very reasonable prices. So we have leaf shaped motifs here. Let's see the price of this saree. It costs around 5,399 rupees only. So we have seen two different color combinations with navy blue, and here is the third one with yellow on borders. Throughout the saree it's a mix of gold and red, gold and green. And on other side of the border we have zari work with different color works. With pallu and here comes the blouse with bright shade of yellow. Let's see the price of the saree. It costs around 3,799 rupees only. So usually in the reasonable rates low, in the zari work with beautiful shining, chala rare ga untundandi ilanti collection. So guys, hurry up and place your orders. With pallu. And here comes the blouse in trick red. Let's see the price of the saree. It's 4,100 rupees only. So far we have seen in all shades of blue, pink, red and green. So here comes a different color combination with cocoa brown and copper sulphate blue on borders. So saree anta chala bright ga shine avutundandi light lo with this zari motifs all over saree. Here comes the pallu. With contrast copper sulphate blue and blouse. Let's see the price of the saree. It's 6,499 rupees only. So we have deep green here with royal blue on borders. With zari booties all over the saree in mango motif shape. Just have a look at the saree. So borders lo vachi manaki copper zari shine undandi, and throughout the saree we have golden zari shine. Pallu and here is the blouse. Price of the saree is 6,050 rupees only. Here comes brighter shade of hot pink with blue on borders. So manaki saree anta golden zari work ekku baga highlight avutundi, and thread work chala little undi throughout the saree with green and yellow. And on other side of the border we have check zari design with pallu, and here is the blouse. Let's see the price of the saree. It's 4,100 rupees only. Here comes darker shade of bottle green with orange on borders. So manchi brighter shades rendu kuda, and ee zari motifs kuda chala baga kanipistunayi. Background color dark undadam valla. Just have a look at this saree. We have dual zari work on saree and borders with pallu So throughout the blouse we have got zari checks with Rudraksh motor fillings. Price of the sari is 6,299 rupees only. Here comes another darker shade with pink on borders. So borders వచ్చి మనకి golden zari తోటి work ఉన్నాయండి. And throughout the sari we have silver zari booties with pallu. And here comes the blouse. So plain blouse undi dinki with borders on two sides. Let's see the price of the sari. It costs around 4,900 rupees only. Let's see our next sari. So it's the reverse color combination of which I've shown you previously. We have orange on throughout the sari body, and on borders we have got parrot green. ఇది కూడా చాలా బ్రైట్గా ఉందండి. సో మంచి ఫెస్టివ్ లుక్ ఉంటుంది ఆరెంజ్కి కానీ గ్రీన్కి కానీ రెడ్ సారీస్కి. And throughout the sari we have mango motifs with pallu and blouse. So blouse is fully decorated with zari. And price of the sari is 6,050 rupees only. So I've shown you many different patterns and brighter shades in today's matka silk sarees andi. So మీకు ఏదైనా సారీ నచ్చితే వెంటనే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసేసుకుని ఇక్కడున్న నెంబర్కి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. రిగార్డింగ్ ఎనీ సారీ ఆర్ ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ఎంక్వైరీస్ రిగార్డింగ్ ద మటీరియల్ ఆర్ కలర్స్, ప్లీజ్ డూ మెసేజెస్ ఇన్ దిస్ వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్. Our team will guide you in placing orders, and for online payment we have Google Pay contacts available here. Take a screenshot of this and keep it handy. We do have shipping to international different countries throughout the globe. So guys, hurry up and place your orders. Let's see our rest of the collection. Here comes parrot green with orange on borders. So throughout the sari we have bud shaped motifs. Buds untai kadandi, so early staging buds. So alanti motifs unnai sari anta. And on borders we have copper zari shine with leaf motifs. And here comes the pallu in orange. And this is the blouse. Coming to the price of the sari, it costs around 6,499 rupees only. So we have another darker shade in navy blue with hot pink on borders. So it is darker and brighter shade on borders undandi. So ippudi varaku chupinchina collection annitlo kuda we have got unique motifs with floral zari design. So saree anta kuda manaki chaala bright ga kanipistundi zari work anta. Just have a look at that. So on other side of the border we have pink and orange floral motifs. With pallu on hot pink. And here comes the blouse. So throughout the blouse we have beautiful floral zari design. Price of the sari is 8,999 rupees only. We have seen many different color combinations with orange. So most of them were orange with red, but here we have orange with royal blue on borders. So this is very beautiful in live. Chaala bright ga kanipistundandi live lo with floral zari motifs in silver throughout the sarees. And on other side of the border manaki banti puvulu antaru kadandi. So aa shape lo design undi. Just have a look at that. This is the entire sari with pallu and blouse. So entire blouse is designed with silver zari floral motifs. Let's see the price of the sari, and it costs around 6,099 rupees only. Here comes a very darker shade of ink blue andi idi. This is not navy blue, you can call it as ink blue with orange on borders. So saree body మీద అంతా మనకి different color thread తోటి work ఉంది with silver zari. Just have a look at it. And on borders we have got orange zari mixed with the green and maroon color threads. So chala bright ga undi live lo ee saree. This is the look. So నేను జస్ట్ నార్మల్గా ఇలా చూపిస్తున్నాను, బట్ ఇది నీట్గా డ్రేప్ చేసుకుంటే చాలా బాగుంటుందండి లైవ్లో. సో ఈ శారీస్ అన్నీ కూడా మనకి మంచి అకేషనల్ వేర్, పార్టీ వేర్, పూజలకి కూడా యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు, లేదా ఆఫీసెస్లో కానీ మీరు ఎలాంటి ఈవెంట్స్ ఉన్నా చాలా సింపుల్గా క్యారీ చేసేయచ్చు. ప్రైస్ ఆఫ్ ది శారీ 6,299 రూపీస్ అవుతుంది. Here comes another lighter shade in leaf green with violet on borders. So saree anta kuda manaki mango zari motifs unnayi with flowers on border. Here comes the pallu with blouse. So blouse anta plain colored blouse undi with silver zari on two sides of the border. Let's see the price of the saree, and it costs around 4,900 rupees only. So guys, hello everyone, a very good morning. Sorry, it's already afternoon. So guys, hope you guys having lunch. This is the lunch time, right? So I just wanted to talk to you all for some time. So if you have any requests, please do comment here. Usually we do live at 6 p.m. every day. As it's a Saturday weekend, we came live very early today. So how is Vizag exhibition? Anyone to comment here? So Vizag people, hope you guys had fun in the exhibition with lot of collection over there. So let's just interact for some time. We are getting some technical issues. That's the reason I've stopped showing you the collection. So hello guys, hello everyone. Hi Saujanya Garu. So this is the saree I'm wearing today, and it's very bright and you can call it darker shade of Masanta pink. This is with navy blue on borders. So hi Saujanya Garu, how are you? Okay, fine. Let's see the rest of the collection then. I think everybody is busy with their Saturday and Sunday works. I don't understand, like too many works untai kada on weekend. So let's just continue to show the rest of the collection. సో ఈ సెషన్లో చూపించే సారీస్ అన్నీ కూడా మంచి లో ప్రైస్లో ఉన్నాయండి, మంచి బడ్జెట్ ఫ్రెండ్లీ సారీస్ ఇవన్నీ విత్ డార్కర్ అండ్ లైటర్ షేడ్స్లో వచ్చాయి. సో ఇప్పటి వరకు చూపించినవన్నీ కూడా మంచి డార్కర్ కలర్సే. సో లైటర్ షేడ్స్ వచ్చి చాలా తక్కువ ఉన్నాయి, ఎస్పెషలీ ఈ సెషన్లో. సో లెట్స్ సీ ద రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది కలెక్షన్. Here comes the next saree in pink. So light ante this is the lighter shade, I can say manaki cream alanti levandy ee session lo. So we have baby pink with navy blue on borders, and throughout the saree we have different colored thread work with floral design mixed with zari. So ikkada unna thread colors cheptanu. We have got orange, red, green and blue on entire saree. One side we have simple zari work, అదర్ సైడ్ ఇది వచ్చి సన్ఫ్లవర్ షేప్లో డిజైన్ చేశారండి విత్ గ్రీన్ అండ్ బ్లూ. అండ్ ఆన్ బార్డర్స్ అండ్ పళ్ళు వీ హ్యావ్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ డార్క్ షేడ్ ఆఫ్ బ్లూ, నావీ బ్లూ అని వచ్చి దీన్ని. హియర్ కమ్స్ ది బ్లౌజ్. లెట్స్ సీ ద ప్రైస్ ఆఫ్ ద సారీ, అండ్ ఇట్ కాస్ట్ అరౌండ్ 6,050 rupees only. Here we have another ink blue with pink on borders. So you can call it as peach instead of pink. So this is brighter shade of peach on borders with golden zari work. And throughout the saree we have leaf motifs, leaf shaped motifs with mangoes inside. Here comes the pallu with beautifully designed blouse. So this is the blouse. Let's see the price of the saree. The saree price is very reasonable price lo undandi, 3,400 rupees only. Let's see the next saree. So here comes hot pink with Rama green on borders. So throughout the saree we have got two differently designed work. On one we have polka dots with pink thread, and other is beautifully designed zari motif. So here comes one side of the border, and on the other side we have peacocks with different colors. Here comes the pallu. So blouse వచ్చి మనకి plain color ఉందండి, with Rama green, dark shade of Rama green on blouse. Let's see the price of the saree. It costs 6,050 rupees on. Here we have parrot green with hot pink on borders. So saree anta kuda manaki ee zari motifs chala baga place chesaru. Just have a look at it. Other side we have a big border of 11 inches. With pallu. And this is the blouse with hot pink. And we have copper zari shine throughout the blouse. Let's see the price of the saree. It's very reasonable priced. So 4,700 rupees on. So here comes another single colored saree in dark shade of ink blue. So saree anta ila zari toti creepers unnayi, and on borders we have pink and green color thread with pallu. Here is the blouse with two sides border for sleeves. Price of the saree is 4,700 rupees only. So madam, we have seen hot pink and blue chala sarees chusamandi ee session lo, but in this saree we have blue on throughout the saree, and on borders we have got hot pink. So saree anta kuda manaki silver zari shine undi motifs lo. Outlining వచ్చి copper zari shine ఇచ్చారు. Just have a look at it in detail. So on borders మనకి dual zari work ఉంది with silver and copper zari shine. So it's the entire saree with pallu in pink and contrast pink color blouse. Price of the saree is 6,099 rupees only. So here comes another beautifully designed saree with pink and leaf green on borders. So on borders we have got darker shade of leaf green. So saree anta kuda manaki circular motifs with floral design filling undandi. On borders we have got a traditional zari work with leaves and floral design on two sides of the border. Here comes the pallu with blouse. So this is the blouse. So here is the blouse. Let's see the price of the saree. It Costs around 9,000 rupees only. So this is the last sari for this session with brighter shades on sari body and borders. Just have a look at this pretty collection. We have a darker shade of royal blue with orange on borders, and throughout the sari we have silver zari work with pallu, and this is the blouse in orange. Price of the sari is 6,099 rupees only. So guys, I've shown you many beautiful saris in this session with different color combinations. So usually everybody iche routine color combos kakunda. So we have come up with a different color combinations in this session. So meeku ee sari nachina ventane screenshot తీసుకుని ఇక్కడ ఉన్న number ki WhatsApp చేయండి. Regarding any inquiry or sari material or sari color, please do contact us on this WhatsApp number. Our team will definitely help you with your queries. And for online payment, we have Google Pay contacts available here. Take a screenshot of this and keep it handy. We do have international shipping throughout the globe. So guys, hurry up and place your orders. This is Wali signing off for today, and see you all in our next live. Bye bye.